This is the host of our GD06 dashcam, which includes the in-car camera and GPS antenna. Next, connect the standard accessories of our GD06 dashcam, host, in-car camera, antenna, SOS alarm, to the power supply, and connect them to the corresponding interface according to the power cord marked above. After connecting, first check if the device host has inserted the SIM card and ensure the positive and negative power connections are secure and the device is powered on. Secure the driving video recorder onto the mount. Install the front camera of our device at the center of the vehicle's windshield, with the power cord already laid out on the car. At the same time, install the in-car camera on the windshield in front of the driver, which can detect the driver's driving behavior and status at any time. When turned on and the display light is on, it indicates a normal state. The blue light shows that the GPS is working properly, and the green light shows that the network is working properly. We can hear
identity verification starting.
The device is online now. Open our mobile app or computer platform, enter the device IMEI number and password, and enter our device name to see the online status and location of the dash cam. This is the function of our dash cam on the mobile app, which includes historical trajectory, real-time recording, historical playback, real-time positioning, and geofence. Historical playback, you can select any time and duration of the historical trajectory to see the trajectory, location, and focus of the vehicle's movement, and also measure the speed of the vehicle's movement. Video recording, the standard set includes a front-facing camera and a high-definition in-car camera. By adjusting the angle, real-time and loop recording can be achieved. Real-time tracking, we can monitor the real-time position of our car, and also detect the distance and driving speed between the car and the preceding or following car.